Welcome to Dubai, a city where dreams touch the sky. Join us for part 1 of our immersive walking tour through the heart of the UAE. We start in the heart of the city, gazing up at the majestic Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, a true architectural marvel. Just steps away, the Dubai fountain dances to the rhythm of local melodies, providing a breathtaking spectacle of water and light. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Entering the Dubai Mall, we find ourselves surrounded by a world of luxury and wonder, including the massive Dubai Aquarium. We walk towards the Souk al-Bahar, enjoying the perfect blend of modern architecture and traditional Arabic charm. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a glittering wonderland of lights, showcasing the vibrant pulse of modern Dubai. Join us for part 2 coming soon. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.